I say solid, I promise I won't ever fold. Been know by the streets since I was 8 years old. Mama told me never trip by these hoes. At the end of the day, they ain't buy your clothes. Late night thinking about selling my soul. What the fuck I'ma have if I take that road? So look. So it's your boy Supah, little Dust, man. Y'all already know what time it is, boy. I'm back again with another fucking vlog. I know it's been a while since it's been a while, you feel me? I probably miss the little energy I be giving and shit, you know what I'm saying? Nothing positive vibes over here. Positive vibes, you gotta say it till you spit. Positive vibes over here, you feel me? Yeah, y'all already know about the motherfucking title, man. I'm on my way to work, my nigga. This an everyday thing besides Sunday. Hopefully I get Sunday and Monday off. If I get Sunday and Monday off, I'm probably post some videos on them days if I can. You feel me? That if I'm in the mood, cause you know sometimes I don't be in the mood. I mean time when I'm in the mood now. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Hey, that boy be trying to That boy be You feel me? I be doing my thorough thizzle. Days I'm off too, what? I'm telling you. Look, man, I hope y'all niggas having a good day so far. Feel me? Cause I'm feeling good right now. I don't know if y'all feel good. The light ain't really hit me, but you gotta go away. You see that skin? Ain't one, and I ain't talking about the sauce. You feel me? But I do got the sauce. You feel me? I got the sauce. You feel me? Yeah, one of them. It's one of them. But you feel me? Today, hopefully we have, I don't even know what the hell I was gonna say. Hopefully we have a very productive day, goddamn. You feel me? I'm already in a good mood, man. I hope I stay like this, cause you know sometimes work be pissing me off. I ain't gonna lie to you. Niggas just be making me mad. But it cool though, you feel me? Cause my job is straight on. It mostly laid back. And it ain't nothing hard. You feel me? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all niggas when you fat. Damn, it's too early. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Supah, little Dust, man. You feel me? I'm back. You feel me? I'm back. I ain't even gonna say I'm back with another video. Cause this continued video from the other one, cause I ain't never finished the video. And as y'all can tell by my voice, I just woke up. And I'm kinda sick, you feel me? So my nose kinda stopped up and everything. That's on pine. Why don't we gotta be me? I get sick so motherfucking fast. Nigga, I chew. Next day I'm doing the same shit. But yeah, today, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm off today, so you feel me? Like do a little something here, something here. I don't know, man. That's if I do get out, cause you know when I'm sick, I'm hard to move. Other than that, yeah, I'm probably finna get some breakfast though, cause the niggas do not feel like cooking now. So look, I'm gonna get in the car, go get some breakfast. Yeah. Oh, I ain't see you there. You wanna ride with me? Well, come on, why you ain't saying anything? You're so crazy. Oh my God! That was my car doing that shit. That was my car. that was my car doing. But what the fuck? Oh shit, can y'all see me? It turns out I need some fucking oil for my car. That bitch did not want to crank on me, y'all. Y'all was over there laughing. Why is y'all laughing at me? I didn't know that. Well, I kind of did know that shit. I took it over to get an oil change. She said I ain't need no oil, so you feel me? I'm like, man, we screwed on me. Shit. That bit drier than 6 saltines in the Sahara with no water. But yeah, we finna get some oil for that bitch. You dig? I'm all confused in my fucking life. But what the fuck? Listen guys, I think I found out which one it was. I'm lying, I don't know which one it was for real. I just tried to match what the hell I seen on my motor and what I seen in there. Which is not the same shit, cause on my motor it said like QW20. But in there was like 5W20. And that's all I seen, so that's what I grabbed. If my motor explode, fuck it is what it is. I need a new car anyways. Pussies. I'm gonna blood that out. What's up guys? I'm gonna scoot back a little bit so y'all can see me. Oh shit, that's too far. Look, I want to introduce y'all to, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, university. You feel me? I just talked to my brother because he knows shit about cars. I don't know nothing about cars. That don't make me less of a man though. I'm just not interested in learning about cars. That's a good thing about having brothers. We all interested in learning different shit. I can help them with shit, they can help me with shit. I don't know. But I think the oil goes here, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna just pull this on bitch up in here. And hopefully it fucking cranks. If it don't, it's gonna explode. And I don't really give a damn. As I said in the previous clip. Yeah, you the one I had love. Nope, I need a funnel for this. Where the hell I'm gonna get a funnel from? Wait, I'll be back. I'm back. Turns out I had a funnel in my car. But I don't think this is where you pull this shit at. I do not think that's where this shit supposed to go. And it obviously don't go in there neither. So it got to go in. Thank you. I do not want to fuck this car. Cause this how I make my money. Oh yeah, she did. She's my love for her apart. Y'all probably wondering what song is she saying. That's Yellow Heart by T.O. and Big Diesel. Yeah. Get you some. My team winning. We ain't never lost. You did. All these niggas out. And they ain't even out. No kizzy. Fat girl with some small titties. Well look, I poured the oil in there. Let's see if it crank now. I guess that wasn't enough oil cause shit still ain't cranking, but yeah. I guess today we're not going anywhere. The brownie nigga better, why would you tell them ain't no settle for less and you know for a fact that you better? I just wanna say, can you be honest just one time? It won't cost us down to tell the truth, so why you always lying? Nobody understand my business, kinda hard to stop from crying. I'm not lying, but can't nobody tell me that I'm not trying. Depression bring up memories that make me wanna blow my mind.